under the tender.
Yeah, go underneath there. Get a picture of the gears from the side. I mean, it really looks weird the way. Here, stand right in there. It really looks weird the way those are rolling. Let's go back the other way. There we go.
Much easier in this direction. Yeah, it is.
Isn't that weird?
You guys ought to be proud.
You ought to stand on this side, Guy, and watch those gears go in and out. Yeah.
Can we get them in there?
Now, Grady, why is this not fully meshed?
Huh?
Why is this not fully meshed?
It is right here.
Okay. Then one more for the.
Let's go far as we can. Easy for you to say. Let's go to the tender first. Yeah, it is. That's good. Okay, let's come back. Let me get out of the way. Stand there. Trying to get the gear. Ready? Yeah, let's go.
Watch it, watch it.
That is really weird, isn't it?
Let's put it while we got it moving. Let's put it back in the middle.
Huh?
Put it back in the middle.
Okay.
There we are.
How long will it take the super glue to dry?
Super.